binigay ko. Okay, so hindi naman barefoot yung character, no? So, ang first na gagawin ko, gagawa ko ng connect. Isang connection, and then another one connection here. Isa lang. So, yung dinagdag ko is, yan. So, ang gagawin ko lang is, shape ko siya as like arch. No? And, select ko yung side. Push natin. Push natin forward. Kasi it's too boxy. Push it forward. Okay, so vertex. And push natin pa down. And push natin inside yung part na to. Wala namang barefoot na character sa inyo, no? Okay. So, kung wala naman, I think mag-work to. Kasi, ite-texture na naman natin yung shoes sa Substance Painter. So, matalas to. Push natin inside. And, ito rin. Just tweak nyo lang. No need na maging realistic. Ayan, so meron na siyang basic shape lang ng toes. Scale. Okay. Ayan. Papost ko naman yung recording, no? Last week, meron ba? Meron. Medyo na-delay lang. Okay. So, save. So, mag-attendance lang ako. 8 minutes left. And, okay. File uploads. Save. Okay, yung assignment nyo lang is blocking for now. Next week tayo mag-focus on detailing. Magdadagdag nung elements like armor or anything. Keep it simple yung character para di kayo mahirapan. Kung magbo-model kayo kagaya nito kay Raiden, simplihan nyo lang. Simple lang. Like, maikli yung tela, no? Alam ko mahaba yung hair niya, mayroon siyang mga knots, no? Avoid nyo lang yung ganun. Stop.